Hi, I'm Jeremy from your International Business Channel, and today we're going to continue our series of looking at the challenges of setting up a manufacturing operation in your target market. We all know that setting up a manufacturing operation is no small task. Beyond the financial and economic decisions, however, there are plenty of soft factors that can make a huge difference to your business. So let's take a look at some of those challenges and what they may mean for your business. So economics, right? Economics obviously plays a big role. However, beside the numbers, there are softer, more subtle factors to consider. For example, customers will be paying attention to your commitment to the local market. If they feel like you're invested in the country, they'll trust you more. This sense of reliability is crucial because customers need to know that you're going to be around for the long term to meet their needs. Employees. To attract top talent, people need to feel that their jobs are stable. When you create an environment where employees feel more secure, they're more likely to stay and build their careers with you. This kind of stability can lead to a motivated team, which is essential if you're going to invest money in setting up a manufacturing unit. Government support. Government support can be a significant advantage. Some governments offer significant financial help like grants or tax incentives, which can lighten the financial load. But even if they don't get direct funding, governments can often have non-financial resources, like providing training programs for local citizens to work in your plant. This can help you get started. Personal risk tolerance. It's a big investment. How much risk are you willing to take? Starting a new operation can be unpredictable, so knowing your comfort level with risk can help guide your decisions. Some entrepreneurs are all in, while others, like myself, prefer a more cautious approach. The permitting process. Once you decide on a location, you have the choice of leasing an existing building, working with a developer, build to suit, to create a custom facility for you, or going greenfield, building from the ground up. Each option has its pros and cons, but if you choose to build, be prepared for a long permitting process. Permits are required before construction can begin, and in some places getting those approvals can take well over a year. I remember building a plant in China where the permitting process seemed to take forever, with every government official having their own view. It's often complex and almost always will require applications in the local language. If your team doesn't have experience or language skills, hiring a consultant may well be worth the investment to avoid delays and mistakes. Setting up a manufacturing operation is more than just finding a place for starting production. Understanding these soft factors and planning for challenges like permitting will give you a smoother start and help you set up your business for long-term success. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. By the end of this series, you will have a handy guide on what you need to be thinking about if you're going to launch your business overseas. Can't wait? Go to my3cc.com/overseas, where you'll find a handy PDF guide which we're going to cover all the topics that we're going to discuss in this video series. I wish you every success on your international voyage. May you have fair winds and following seas on your journey. Thank you for listening. Take care.